with the age structure of India's population. देखो, अगर आप ये पूरा चीज पढ़ोगे ना तो उसका डेटा यहां दिया हुआ है. First of all, you should say that the age group column shows percentage share and rows may not add up to 100 because of rounding. मतलब ये rounding कर दिया गया है. They have done the rounding figure. Now, age group, first of all, we should all know that India, it has a very young population. मतलब पहला, India has a very young population. This is the first thing which you have to remember. And when I say India has a very young population, इसका मतलब average age being lower than of many other countries. ठीक है? That is average age of Indians is lower. ठीक है, average age of Indian is lower than that of many other countries. So the first thing you have to remember is India will have a very young population. Now, if you look at the age group, it is 0 to 14, 15 to 59 and 60 plus. We should all know 0 to 14 years, it is dependent population. Then 15 to 59 years, it is working population. And 60 plus years, it is again dependent population. So if in your country the dependent population is more than the working population, that means it will not add to your economic growth. They will not contribute anything to the economy. Whereas the working population, they will contribute to the economy. So as a result, the economy will go with the growth. तो यहां पे बोला ये गया है कि share of under 15 in the total population has come down from its highest. मतलब इसमें जो शेयर है that is 14 to मतलब 0 to 14 age group share in total population. ठीक है, 0 to 14 age group share in total population has come down from how much? 42% in 1971 to 29% in 2011, because the last census was taken as 2000. But what about the working group? It has increased slightly. That means we can say that working group population increased slightly, and that increase is 53% 1971 to 63% 2011. और वही 60 plus age group is very small, but it has begun to increase from 5 to 7% over the year. मतलब 60% population जो है, very small proportion very small proportion, but began to increase from 5% to 7%, that is 1971 to 2011. ठीक है, गॉट इट? तो ये है क्लियर. And it is also saying that the age composition of Indian population is expected to change significantly in the next 2 decades. Next 20 years, it's going to change significantly, age composition. Most of this change will be at two ends of the age spectrum. ठीक है, two ends of the age spectrum. Two ends कौन है? This much and this one. मतलब projection क्या है? Projection is that age composition, ठीक है, of Indian population will change in next 2 decades. ठीक है, and the change will be significant in 0 to 14 age group and 60 plus age group. मतलब जो भी चेंज होगा वो 0 to 14 होगा. That is 0 to 14, it will reduce its share by about 11%. ठीक है, that means in the next 2 decades 0 to 14 तुम्हारा reduce to how much? अभी 0 to 14 कितना है? 29%. ठीक है, so it's going to reduce by to 23% 2026. ठीक है, 23%. And 60 plus age group will increase its share from 5%, by about 5%, that is increase by about 5%, that is up to 12% 2026. So this is the drastic, significant change which we are going to see when we will be looking at the age composition. Clear हो गया ये भी? Now this is the age group pyramid, or you can say it's the population pyramid. ठीक है, एज ग्रुप पिरामिड या आप बोल सकते हो पॉपुलेशन पिरामिड. देखो पॉपुलेशन पिरामिड जो है, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट पॉपुलेशन पिरामिड, then this population pyramid, it's a graphical representation that shows the distribution of population by age and gender. There is a word called population pyramid. तो population pyramid क्या होता है? It's a graphical representation showing the distribution of population. Now here you can see it's male and female. So the distribution of population, it is distribution of population showing the distribution of population by age and gender. Now you can see that this is the age 0 to 4 years. This is particularly the age and this is the gender. So here we can say that जो population pyramid है, it's a graphical representation showing the distribution of population by age and gender. ठीक है, write it down. और ये बोला जाता है it looks like a pyramid. ये पिरामिड की तरह लगता है. And age groups arranged in vertical. Age groups जो है ये देखो vertical, straight. They are arranged in vertical axis and gender. जो gender है, ठीक है, या आप बोल सकते हो पॉपुलेशन साइज इन हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस. पॉपुलेशन साइज जो है वो आपका हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस है. ठीक है. So this is what is there. Okay. तो आपका ये एज ग्रुप का चार्ट है जो आपको पूरा बता रहा है. And this chart is about Uttar Pradesh and Kerala. Now this says that Kerala is developing an age structure similar to that of developed countries. Kerala developing an age structure similar to developed countries. ठीक है, Kerala. It is developing an age structure similar to that of the developed countries. और उत्तर प्रदेश जो है, it's higher proportion of young population, higher proportion है young population का, और low proportion of aged people. उत्तर प्रदेश में हायर प्रोपोर्शन है यंग पॉपुलेशन का एंड लोअर प्रोपोर्शन है एज्ड ग्रुप का. सो दिस शोज द डाइवर्सिटी which is there in India with regard to states like Uttar Pradesh and Kerala. ठीक है, got it?